Hello guys, this is Gifted FX. I'm going to talking about sign up, how to sign in into your TradeLocker account and place trades. Alright, how to play it in your TradeLocker account. So it is quite easy. It is very easy. You just have to use the login details that has been sent to you after creating your account. You must have created your account, alright, on KOT4X, and also completed the registration. So yeah, after that you just come over to your email. All right, you have some email sent to you. The one that said you are now ready to get funded is the email that has your login details. All right, so we are using the trading platform here is TradeLocker, and is a sponsor of this 10k account that you are using to trade. So this 10k challenge account, it has been sponsored by TradeLocker, so that you'll be using the platform TradeLocker to trade. So I will be using the web terminal. That's a web version of TradeLocker, because most people can't actually access the app right now. But if you can use the app, just follow the same procedures. But this is mainly for the web users, so that to make sure they actually follow everything. So just come over. You must have claimed this. You must have gotten the funded account. So just to get the funded account, use the coupon code that is in the description of this video, or wherever it is. Just use the coupon code, sign up, use the coupon code, and purchase the challenge account. So that's just all you have to do. So once you complete the registry, they'll send you the first link. After the last link that KOT4X is going to send to you, that says you are now ready to get funded with the king of all trading platforms. That is the one you will look for your trading, your login details. All right, this is where you see your login details. So this is just an account. So thank you for your order. You are now ready to get funded. So this is, as you can see down here, TradeLocker account details. So just go to this email, click on the TradeLocker. This is my all right. So just once you get to the email, just click on this highlighted TradeLocker word here. Just click on it. It's going to take you to your browser. All right, once you click on it, it's going to take you to your browser, and from the browser to if you go to the home page of TradeLocker, you could also from there get the app. All right, so once you scroll down, you'll see the probably download from Play Store or Google Play Store, anywhere, any store you want to download from, depending on your device. So but if you're using the what's it called, web terminal, that's a web version, just click on this TradeLocker. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to your browser. All right, once it takes you to your browser, you have to, once it loads, it's going to be loaded on a demo.tradelocker.com website. All right, that is where you're going to be trading. This is a profile account. This is just a challenge account, so it's going to be a demo account. Profile accounts are usually demo accounts. All right, but you'll be wondering, how can I be making money from demo accounts at the end of all these things? But the thing is, once you pass the challenge, they are going to give you another account, funded account, where you'll be earning 80% of every profit you make. So but it's going to be a demo account still. But the difference is, this account, from this account, the last account they're going to give you, so if you are successful, they will copy trades from that account to their own master account. All right, that's how it works. The proprietary algorithm copies trades from your funded account to their master account, to their master trading account, in which those trades are being executed. So it's being executed in a master account. So at the end of every week, they pay you every week. That's every Friday of every week. At the end of the week, Fridays, they will pay you 80% share of your profit made once is above $100. All right, once you are made above $100. So your aim now is just to pass this challenge and get funded. All right, so don't worry about being demo. Programs usually are demo accounts. That's why they are huge funds. All right, so The next thing you have to do here is just do what I said. Click on this, takes you to your browser. Come over here. Once it loads, copy your login details. So that's what I'm going to do now. So let me just go down to my browser right now. All right, this is it. As you can see, TradeLocker is on a better phase, but people, professional traders can use this right now, because the difference between TradeLocker and other trading platforms like MT4 and MT5 is because TradeLocker has a kind of partnership or integration, partnership with TradingView, whereby they integrated the TradingView interface or TradingView charting platform into their platform. All right, so you don't have to you don't have to keep analyzing from TradingView. Then after analyzing on TradingView, you now go back to your MT4 and start executing. So you can just you can analyze on your TradeLocker account and still execute your trades there at once. So you don't need to start going to and fro from TradingView to MT4 anymore. So that's the solution or the problem TradeLocker is here to solve. This is the next gen trading platform. So it's still at the beta phase right now, but you can continue. People are already using it to trade. It's working very fantastic. So if you have any issues of any kind, you can send a feedback. That's all. I think that's actually the major reason why they are doing this, so that they can actually improve the platform more and more. So after you put in your login details, your email, your password, the server, so the next thing you have to just do is click on login. All right, click login, and this is going to take you down to your account, to your funded account. So just wait for it to load up. All right, so this is how it looks like, the interface of the web version. That's what it looks like. So here, let me just explain the key things you need to be doing here. So to place your trade, you can analyze here. You can analyze here. These are the charts. All right, there's a time frame. This is 1 minute time frame charts. So you can come over here and change the time frame. All right, 1 minute daily. Okay, and this is the candlestick. You want to change from candlestick to probably Henakchi or any other, like the lines or the bars or the halo candles, anything you want to use, but I'm using candlestick here and it's good enough. So this is about the functions. If you want to put an indicator, any indicator of your choice, anyone you want to put it, just click on this FX, all right, and search for it. So this is for you to for you to like have the full screen view of it, kind of. And over here above it, now you're seeing US XOM. This is where you select the currency pair you want to trade. All right, and over here, this is where you see your trades, pending trades. And over here, this is where you see your profit and loss. If you're making profits, it reflect here, and if you're making loss, general loss or profit. All right, assuming you have about 5 trades, different trades open, you get to see the total profit and loss over here. All right, so this is it. And if you want to these are tools for analyzing down here, and these are prices. So this is just the charts and aspect of it. Now after analysis, you want to place your trade. All right, you can just come over here and click this button. If you want to place a trade, let's say you want to place a fast trade, all right, you can just come over here, click on your lot size. All right, based on your risk management, the lot size you want to use, probably 0.01, 0.1, 0.05, anyone you want to use, and click sell if it's a sell decision you're making, or if it's buy order you're taking, anyone. So but if you want to actually place a pending order, all right, for people who want to place pending orders, probably buy stop, buy limits, sell stop, and the rest, you don't want to, like, okay, probably you're seeing the currency pair is going to, the price is going to go down, but it's not yet at the point where you want to see it, you want to start selling from. So you could actually sell and place a pending order. That's what you call a pending order. So if you want to place a pending order, just click on this button here, click this. Once you click it, and you can see this is market. If you are buying at the market price of this XOM right now is 10519, as you can see. Now this is where you put your stop loss and your take profit immediately you are placing your trade. All right, but not to worry if you don't put your stop loss or take profit immediately. You can still place it after. You can still put your take profit and stop loss after placing the trade. All right, I'll show you how to do that later on. So you just put your take profit, stop loss, and click sell after putting your loss out in, of course. Now for pending orders, all right, for pending orders you just have to click on pending. All right, if you want to use a pending order. So this is where you set your price for the pending order. This is where you set your stop loss, your take profits, then click on sell. It goes into a pending order. Right, so what we're going to do right now, this is just the front aspect of this whole thing. I've actually explained it. Now let's try placing the trade so you could see how it's been done. So whenever you want to place a trade, whenever you want to execute after analyzing, but you could also use trading view if you are using the web terminal and this whole thing doesn't work for you, the chart here doesn't work for you, you can still use your trading view analyze or any other charting platform out there. Use the analyze and come over here and place your trade. All right, but you could still get the app to have everything in the app. Everything is quite okay. This is just because of this is web. All right, but in the app, yeah, the whole interface is quite nice. It's quite easy to use. But this is what it is. So let's try and place a trade right now. So to place a trade, I'm going to be trading on gold. So what we have to do is look for the currency pair. All right, look for the currency pair. So what you have to do is come over here. Just come over here, click this button. All right, click the where you see the United States icon XOM, just click on it. Now as you can see, now you can search for the currency pairs you want to trade here. You can just type it. If you know the currency pair, just type, or you could screw. All right, screw and probably look for a board. We are going to be typing because we already know what you're looking for, right? So just type in the currency pair here. All right, this is for all currency pairs. Okay, now you could actually select, when you click the all drop down, you can actually select the category of the currency pair you're looking for. All right, if it's crypto, if it's index, if it's EO shares, if it's energies, whatever. So you could also trade cryptos. This is just a trading platform here. You can trade anything. All right, so just you're going to be searching, and you could also use this favorite button here to favorite or place your preference, like the currency pairs that you usually trade on. You can actually bring them to the top, like as you can see this XOM here. So your currency pair could actually come up here and stay there. All right, so that's when you use the favorite. So let us search for the gold we want to trade. So click on search, then just type gold is XAU. You don't even have to complete it. All right, so just type XAU. Now you can see we have gold and other XAU pairs down here, gold USD, gold or whatever, gold.pro, gold ER. So we are going to be trading on the first one, gold against USD pair. So this is it. So you could actually so after that, so just click on it. After it's out, click on it and just wait for it to load up the interface. Let it load up, just once it loads up, you can analyze with the charts. Just wait for the chart to show up for you to analyze the chart. After analyzing, the next thing is to place your trade, whatever it is. Well, let us want to this whole thing to be fast enough to just want the videos to be short, so we are not going to be doing all those things analyzing. Let us say we have already analyzed. Now the selling price right now for gold is around 1962 1963. All right, so these are lows and these are highs. This is actually the price. So I think gold would be going down, like it will be selling. So right now all I have to do is just if that's what I think, if that's what I think, or what my trading decision is, all I have to do is just come over here and click on this button. All right, this drop up, and since I'm going to be using market order, the price is 1962.84, so I could come over here and put my stop loss, all right, down here, put my take profits, of course, then screw down a little bit, then put my lot size, then click on sell. All right, so let's just do this real quick. So my stop loss could actually be, let's say stop loss 19, I'm risking probably, let's just 3 point something dollars, like, okay. So if it goes up, I'm actually losing money, right? So because I want to sell, if it goes up, I'm losing money because I want to sell. So my stop loss, to mitigate my losses, I have to that will be 66.04. all right, then take profit, I'm looking at $4 or 4 pips movement here, or 40 pips movement here, sorry. So let us say I'm using 19 1958, yeah, 1958. Okay, so if it goes down, I'm in profit. If it goes down $4 below, I'm in profit. For gold, I'm just using dollar value. Well, this is actually 40 pips. All right, so for loss, if it goes up like $3.2 above, I'm losing money. All right, I'm losing money, and I'll be taken out of the trade. So that's my stop loss. The trade will actually close on its own without loss. So the next thing I have to do now, after putting this in, I take profit, my stop loss, I have to put in my slot size. All right, so I want to use 0.1 lot size. So just click on this button. The plus is to increase the lot size, the minus is to reduce the lot size. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm just going to be clicking on the plus, or you could actually you could hold on it and just edit it directly like this. All right, you could actually edit it like this. Just type, once you hold on it, it will highlight everything. So type 0.1. so this is faster, but if you want to do it that way, you could actually just type on the plus sign, increase 0.6, 0.7, 0.89, 0.1. so this is my lot size. As you could see, now after that, just click on sell button here. So I just click on sell. That's it. After putting your lot size, click on sell. So I just click on sell right now. Once I do that, it will ask me to confirm this whole thing. Sell 0.1 lots of gold at market price. All right, so I could turn on this one click trading button, which means once I click on sell, it gets sold immediately. Like, it's an immediate thing. I don't have to like come and start confirming this whole thing. You get, but it's better you use this feature. It's better you don't use the one click trading thing, because what if you are actually wrong, you are making mistake, or you are rushing and you made a mistake or something, you still, so in such case you have this confirmation drop dialog box coming up like this. Try to like, confirm if you actually if you are really sure of what you are doing. So I think you should actually leave this button the way it is. Don't toggle it up on. So this is for me to just confirm. So since this is my conviction, this is what I think is going to happen. I just have to click on confirm here, confirm button. Once I do that, the order will be submitted. As you can see, after submitted, as you can see, position opened, every other thing. So the take profit set 1958, stop loss 1966. So everything is done, all right, immediately. So the next thing you have to do after executing a trade, you must come over. It's not like compulsory, but you have to, for the sake of caution, because you might be making mistake at some point. All right. So after that, you have to come over to your trade to check out what you have actually done, if it's actually what you wanted to do in terms of your direction of the market and the stop loss and the take profit. So to do that, just come over to the trades here, click on these trades. Once you click it shows you all the trades you actually placed for the day. All right, so this is a $10,000 account. As you can see, I'm using a margin of 98 because of my lot size. All right, and my stop loss as well. So because of my lot size, I'm using a margin of 98.24, and my available margin now is 9889.65, and my equity is now 9988.60 because of this loss of 10.3 whatever I'm having right now. So this is an open tab, which because it's an open position. All right, so as you can see, these are the details of this trade I actually placed right now. I entered at 1963.79 actually. So this is the margin, this is the loss size, and this is my stop loss, my take profit. So everything is okay, because my stop loss is okay, just like the way I wanted. It's just like what I thought I should have done, so it's good enough. Right now I'm in a profit of 5 point something dollars. Okay, and so this is just how it is. So just after that, just try and confirm. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. Once you confirm, you can go over to the home page by clicking on the back button. All right, just click on the back button. Now my equity is now $10,005. All right, because of this $5 or $7 profit. All right, so if you don't know what equity is like the total amount when you minus or add your profit and loss. Okay, so for instance, you have a $10 account just like we have here. So if you are making profits or if you are making loss, it reflects on your equity. Okay, because it reflects on your equity. Now your balance is actually this. For MT4 users, you actually be seeing balance. That balance you are seeing is, in this case, it's called margin available. That's the amount of money that is left in your account for you to enter other new trades. All right, so this is your margin, of course. So this is what it is here. So you could actually go back and place new trades. All right, so just click on back button. If you don't want to place any trade, you can chill and wait for this one to run down and do his whole thing. Yes, at the end you come back and just check over. You should just be checking your trades. So this is it. So for pending orders, I'm going to show you how to place pending orders right now. So for pending orders, maybe I want to sell at a higher price than 1963, than the market price. All right, let's say the market price right now, just click on this drop up here button. Once you click on it, the market price right now is 1963.33, as you can see here. So I don't want to sell at 1963.33. I kind of think, okay, it's going to go up more or further. So I could actually place a sell order at I could come over here and place a sell order at probably 1966. I think, okay, you might come to 1966, then from there you start going down again. So I want to enter this sell order at 1966. So what I could do is here is just come over to the pending thing. So this thing is just vice versa. If you want to do it for buy order, you could also do the same thing, just the same procedure. So I'll just be using sell because my bias right now, or my trading decision right now, is sell. I've already analyzed gold. I know it's going to sell, so that's why I'm selling. So in a situation whereby it's a buy decision I'm trying to make, it's going to be, I'm just going to repeat the same thing again, but in the reverse thing. So just, yeah, so I just have to click on pending order. All right, since I think it's going to go to 1966 and start coming down for me to make money. All right, so as you can see, pending order, this is where price, I have to set my price. Which price do I want to say? It's 1966. All right, so I have to just click on it. I could use this button, the minus and the plus button here, to either increase or decrease. Once I just click on plus button, as you can see, it's adding up bit by bit, but I don't actually have that time, so you just click on it and edit everything on its own. All right, just type 1966. All right, after that you put in your stop loss. So I'm just still using the same stop loss, 3.2 and $4 take profit and whole thing. So stop loss, if it goes up further than 960, since I'm selling, if it goes up further than 960 after hitting 960 and putting me in the trade, if it goes probably to 1970 or 1969.7 or something, I'll actually be in a loss. So my stop loss here would be 1969.2. all right, 1969.02 stop loss, because I'm selling, my stop loss will be above. Now take profits, I'm expecting it to go down, and I'm anticipating and speculating that this whole thing is going to go down, right? So the take profits, I could also use that. Let's say I use $4 take profit, or let's just say 1954. Yeah, let's just say take profit 1954. So I put 1954. So if it goes down to 1954, I take profit, whatever the amount is. This is about probably roughly $10 or $12 profit. So after that, on each trade, on each loss, or on each lot, all right, so after that I'll come over here, put on my loss size. So you just hold down it and put whatever you want to, or you could just type, yeah, anyhow you want to just do it. 0.0, let's see, 0.1. all right, 0.1 lot size, that's what I want to use. Type after my lot size, then the next thing is just click on sell button. So it's very easy, once you have already analyzed, you know your parameters, you know what you are dealing with, the prices, everything. It's all about just imputing everything in. So this is sell. I'm selling 0.1 lots of gold at 1960. So once it gets to 1960, right now it's at 1963. So once it gets to 1960, this pending order will become an open position. All right, so I just click on confirm. Pending order submitted, sell 0.1 lot of gold at 196. So you have done this. So the next thing you have to do now, don't just rush off and close the whole app or whatever, or the browser you're using. Come over here to the threads to confirm, to cross check. Is very important, because sometimes when you're typing these figures, these numbers, you might make a mistake. You might type 1 when you want to type 9. all right, it happens. All right, so just come over here, threads, click on threads to cross check and confirm. Okay, yeah, this is actually what I wanted to do. So this is my open order, is a profit on $6 already. Now just come over to pending, $16 already, sorry. Come over to pending here, pending tab, click on pending. As you can see, this is the pending order. So this is how you place pending orders. All right, so this is pending. So once it gets to 1960, it will be activated and becomes an open position. Right, so this is where you check the trades you've actually placed. Click on trade tab and wait for it to refresh and all. So these are the trades that I have actually placed today. All right, so this is the fresh account. All right, fresh account like that. So yeah, I this fee, don't bother about this. They actually charge a fee for each trade you are taking, 0.7 depending. All right, so it's nothing depend. Yeah, don't actually, yeah, it's for everybody. So you're not like, so if you are seeing it on your own, yeah, you're not alone. So there's for history to check every trade you actually place on this account. All right, you just click on history, wait for you to load up and probably refresh. So this is just what it is about this whole thing. So this is how to place trades, this is how to execute trades. All right, so if you haven't gotten your account, just use the code, use the link, and get your free account. It's fully funded. I don't actually know when this offer is going to end, but it's still active right now, so it's there for you to make the most out of it. All right, let's just say because it's a free account, I shouldn't be very careful and start taking ridiculous risks. So yeah, don't take ridiculous risks, just trade professionally, because they are looking for professionals. These pro firms, they are looking for professionals who could manage their funds for them. So that's what I'm putting you in through a challenge to confirm, okay, I'll test you to see if you can actually trade according to their parameters, according to their risk tolerance. All right, so this is why you are going through this challenge. So prove that you can trade professionally. Don't take ridiculous risks, just trade. All right, trade with right principles. All right, this is all about how to execute trades, how to place trades. Okay, have a good trading experience and all. Let's get this. Now, if you place an order and you didn't put take profit and stop loss, you just placed an order using the buy button, the stop loss size, or the sell button with the loss size just here. So if you place such order, there's nothing to worry about. You can still impute your stop loss and your take profits prices. So all you have to do is just come over to the trades menu here, click on this trade menu. So once it opens up, you just click on this open position, this particular one. Just click somewhere here. All right, click here or any here or here or here. Just click. All right, as you can see, now you can see copy ID, edit, partial close and full close. This is if you want to copy the ID of this particular trade. All right, you want to like copy the ID out. This is for editing. If you want to impute the stop loss and the take profit. Now this is for partial close. If you want to close this trade partially. Now this is for full close. If you want to close the trade fully without hitting this the take profit level or hitting your stop loss, you just want to close. For instance, if I want to close this trade now that is in profit of $20, I can just click on this close, full close here and close it. Everything is done. So if you want to impute your stop loss and take profit, just click on this button here, this edit, so just allow it to load up. As you can see, once it loads up and takes you to this page, now just click on edit open position. All right, click on this button here. Once you click drop up, now you can see you can put your stop loss, your take profits easy. Once you type it here, type your stop loss, type your take profits, then click on confirm. All right, that's all you have to do. So once you have done that, you click on confirm, then the whole thing is imputed. So that's just how to do all these things. All right, so just practice, trade and practice. Okay, yeah.